I have 3 kids and I work from home, so people always ask me how I stay so calm and organized. I'm kidding. Do you think I have time for a bath? I'm fully clothed. I fell in the tub while I was timing my son holding his breath. 26 seconds! Now go fetch Mommy's hairdryer. Motherhood goes by too fast. I haven't slept more than 4 hours in 12 years. My diet consists of the protein bars and pita chips I inhale in the dark in my pantry. And my children are growing like weeds, but I barely have enough time to keep them alive, let alone print pictures of them. Because here's the problem. What the fork? Making photo books sucks.
It sucks.
Don't say suck. They're designed for moms with lots of free time. Imaginary moms. What?
A hedgehog.
Really? Formatting them takes hours. It may push some buttons. In the end, they easily cost $50. So when Sarah does something adorable, I have to say, that's cute, but not $50 cute. But at least scrapbooking's great if you have no job or no kids, so not great. Jeffrey, put down the crossbow. I am so tired. Don't get me wrong, I love Instagram, but my kids never see our photos. They refuse to follow me. Hi, Jeffrey! You're doing great! But now there's a solution I do have time for because it takes no time. Introducing Chatbooks, the app that automatically creates quality photo books from your phone. Chatbooks is shockingly easy because you already did the work when you took the photos. Chatbooks creates and ships a photo book to you every time you add 60 photos to Instagram, Facebook, or your phone favorites. It even includes the original dates and captions. It's like getting a magazine subscription to your own life. Thank you.
Why is Dad wearing a dress?
Okay, that's me. All right, the short hair was a mistake, okay? Unlike a photo book site, the Chatbooks app takes only 30 seconds to set up, and you do it once. 30 seconds to record the lives of your kids. Technically, that's less time than it actually took to make the kids.
How do you make kids?
What?
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 So if you love your kids, or think you someday might, search Chatbooks in the App Store or Google Play to install the Chatbooks app today. What's awesome is your Chatbooks require 0 formatting. And if you're saying no formatting, that's the only reason I do photo books, then this isn't for you, freak mom. These books are already beautifully designed. Did you do it? Do we get to do the potty dance?
No!
Plus, these Chatbooks cost just $10. That's what you'd pay for a day's worth of diapers, except you fill Chatbooks with the kind of crap you care about. How about...
Go away! Mush!
Then your photo books won't just be for special occasions. They'll be for all the quirky daily stuff you and your family care about. Yes, it's that easy. It really prints and ships your photo books without you having to lift a finger. Thank you. Jeffrey, get off the roof.
Okay.
Every time a Chatbook is shipped, you'll be notified with enough time to edit your order. And if you're not satisfied, you can always get your money back with our Love Chatbooks guarantee. That was really stupid. Chatbooks are made with the same paper and ink as photo books 5 times their price, so you can spend the savings on your little thumb suckers.
Suck!
Don't say suck. My family's life is insane, and I want to hold on to every single freaking stupid, stressful, beautiful moment. And now I can. Click the link above in this post or search Chatbooks in the App Store or Google Play to install the app today. Chatbooks, live your life and let Chatbooks print it. Oh, hi there. This is an actual bubble bath since Chatbooks gave me the time for them. In fact, I'm ordering one now, and I'm done. I did not think that through.